Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Briano, and I have a small video for you guys. Maybe not a small video. I think it's gonna be a little bit of a longer video. It'll be something a little bit different than what I've been doing on this channel, and you guys can let me know if you like it or not. Basically, I've been trying to gain an Instagram following, right? I've been doing these YouTube videos about, software engineering and stuff. And if you found your way here, either from my previous videos, I guess you know that, or if you're new here, welcome. Uh, Please be sure to, like the video and subscribe to me if you can. Pop that notification bell, all that good stuff. I guess as I've been trying to grow this Instagram following, I noticed that I have maybe not the correct set of assets for growing an Instagram following. Yeah, so I was thinking I do have one asset and I'm pretty good at coding. So I was wondering if I could code myself into getting Instagram followers. Um, I've seen some videos about this in the past. Basically, people will make like these Instagram type bots, and again, I'm not endorsing anyone making a bot of any way. I'm not really going to be doing a tutorial. This isn't what this is about, because there's obviously things that you really shouldn't be doing. But I will have like code on the screen as I'm going, and it'll probably be sped up. But the whole purpose of this video and why I'm going through this is to see from my coding abilities, which is one of the assets that I do have, would I be able to, grow some sort of Instagram following? And over the period of time, maybe, have some followers or, get some more likes on my pictures or whatever it may be. Basically, what we're going to do is I'm going to try to make some sort of Instagram bot that will go through and maybe go through hashtags and stuff related to programming and start liking people's pictures or commenting on people's pictures and see if we can get some sort of following, and also we'll follow people. I'm not quite sure if we're gonna get banned. If we do, the account doesn't have a lot of followers anyway. If we don't, I think it would be kind of cool. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump over here to this view and let's get started on this programming. So I made it so now that it's gonna start looking based off a hashtag. I have like basically this list of hashtags, which I just got off some random list that has best coding hashtags. I mean, I'll add to it as we go on. I don't think it really matters much. So should bot run true? Switching hashtag for CSS. So we're gonna go through CSS. We're gonna go through these posts. We're gonna like some of the posts. Okay, so I think it's basically good to like leave it running for a while. I want to do a few things. I want to definitely amp up the amount of time. So if this is in milliseconds, what is it, milliseconds or seconds? I don't even know. Like, so 1 millisecond. So this is 10,000 milliseconds is 10 seconds. So I think we can let this run. Maybe let's do every minute. Okay, so let's do every minute. We'll do it. Every minute's going to decide whether or not to run. So that means it has a 50% chance of running every single minute. From that minute, we have more percentages as we go down. So when it searches hashtag, it's gonna say like, all right, on post by whatever. If it's less than 2, we're gonna follow. If it's greater than 4, it's gonna like the post. This is an integer out of 6. So let's give that a roll. Let's let it run for a while. Right now, the Instagram bot is, we have 56 followers. We have 56. We're following 56 people. We have 13 followers, and we're gonna leave this running for a while, and let's see what happens. Hopefully, I don't get banned. If I do, then there goes my Instagram account. So I actually had to take this final picture on my phone. It's about the middle of the night, like 12:30. I actually got Sentry blocked, so I guess IP banned on my like home network from accessing Instagram anymore. So I'm not really surprised. I kind of expected something like this to happen. I tried to mess around with the probability as much as possible, but I guess it didn't really matter. So the followers keep coming in, so I'm not sure if it'll keep going up, but the bots went ahead and followed 168 people from like the 40 or so that it was following, and we're up to almost 30 followers. So pretty cool. I mean, it was kind of a fun experiment. I had really fun coding it up. But that really wraps it up for this video. So I guess, could you become Instagram famous from making an Instagram bot? Maybe. If you don't get banned first, I guess. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed it, can you go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And also, go ahead and give me a follow on Instagram since it's up on the screen anyway. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.